I'm your biggest fan, I'll follow you until you love me. Paparazzi, and baby, there's no other superstar. You know that I'll be your paparazzi. Promise I'll be kind, and I won't stop until the girl is mine. Baby, you'll be famous, chase you down until you love me. Paparazzi. We are the crowd, we're coming out. Got my flash on, it's true, and that picture of you is so magical. We'd be so fantastical. Leather and jeans, garage glamorous. Not sure what it means, but that photo of us, it don't have a price. Loving you is cherry pie, and you know that baby I'm your biggest fan. I'll follow you until you love me. Paparazzi, and baby there's no other superstar. You know that I'll be your paparazzi. I promise I'll be kind, and I won't stop until the girl is mine. Baby, you'll be famous, chase you down until you love me. Paparazzi, real good. We dance in the studio. Snap, snap to that chick on the radio. Don't stop for anyone. We're plastic, but we still have fun. I'll be your paparazzi. I'll be kind, and I won't stop until the girl is mine. Baby, you'll be famous, chase you down until you love me. Gaga, paparazzi.
The first week at the top 26, you were the worst contestant. I mean, every day people say, how did we pick you? But my man, right now, you are close to the top. You know, I get goosebumps. Last week, you did it. And tonight, fantastic as well.
Thank you.
Juju boy, better learn from you as well. You know, it's very nice, man. I love that.
You know what? I have said this from the beginning of this competition, that you are this competition. You are so great. And when you perform, you give what you are doing the energy and the love and the seriousness that it deserves. Perfect.
That's what makes you a full artist. Performance, the attitude, you know, you are very unpredictable. You know, the worst thing that you have done for me is to have finished the song.